Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jenna Weir and today I'm going to be reviewing an Amazon crimper that I got for £24 and it created this look on my hair, which I love. So if you're interested, just keep following along and I'll show you how to use it. Right, okay, let's get started. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to start brushing my hair out. I washed my hair yesterday. I find just when you're doing a hairstyle, you don't want it to be too clean. You want it to have a bit of grit to it. I'm also going to put a bit of Batiste dry shampoo into my hair. It just gives it a bit of volume. Especially with my hair is quite fine. I do have quite a bit of it, but it is quite fine. So I just like to put some at the top of my root area and just kind of work that in because sometimes it leaves a bit of white residue throughout. So just massage that into your hair. I'm just going to brush that out one more time and then part your hair however you want to part your hair. My hair tends to part a little bit off center. And then from there, I'm gonna I don't think I'm gonna section it off. I kind of want it to be a bit like wavy and loose. I don't want it to be too crimped. Just depends on whatever style you want it to go for. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this side first. So I'm gonna take about that much hair, I think. This much. And then I'm going to take my glove that they gave in the box, put that on because I'll probably burn my hand if I don't. Yeah, so here we go. And then I'm just going to clamp that down and hold it for probably 10 to 15 seconds, just so it has time to really hold that crimp wave look. Yeah, it's quite easy actually. And then I'm just gonna clamp down onto the part where the wave kind of goes in. So just kind of like clamp back down so it doesn't have like too many different waves going throughout. I think this should work. And then I'm just gonna go one more time there and just hold it for another 10 to 15 seconds, whatever you prefer. Yeah, it's quite simple. Hopefully it works. And then release. So as you can see, it has a bit of a wave going. So yeah, it looks like it's worked. I'm going to do another piece now. Taking the same amount again. I'm also starting from the back as well. I find it's easier to work from the back than it is from the front, just because you know the pieces you've done first. So if you're at the front, you're kind of like looking for pieces at the back. So I just start at the back and then work your way forward. So yeah, we'll do it again. So I start up top. I don't go right to the very start of the hair. I kind of just start of the hair, the root of the hair. Just gonna hold that down. And release, and then go back to where that end of that wave is, and then clamp back down onto that one. And then release. There we go. So it's looking quite nice. I do like the look of it, and it's super simple. Like I literally just hold it down. No need to like, with a wand you have to like curl it around and hold it. I literally just clamp it down and wait, clamp it down and wait. So you could literally be scrolling through Instagram or like doing whatever you want, going through messages, trying to do your hair. I'm just going to speed up the rest of this side, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's complete. Okay. Just making sure everything has a crimp to it. But so far so good. Like, it's super easy and quick. Like, it's just so simple. Anybody can do it. Definitely recommend it if you're like a beginner stylist for hair. No, that was not what I want to say. I definitely recommend it if you struggle with doing any kind of hairstyle. It's so simple. You literally just clamp down on it and hold it and then repeat. Super simple. So let's do this side of my head now. So I'm going to start from the back again. I'm going to go a little bit bigger with my pieces only because the barrel is quite wide. I just want to see what it looks like, and also it probably will take me less time, which I like. So we'll go in again, and then just hold it there for 10 to 15 seconds. I have it on the 210 setting. I quite like my tools to be quite hot. And release, and then go to the wave bit where you just completed. And then hold it there, make sure, try not to burn yourself. The glove is super handy. Like, if I didn't have the glove, I don't know how I would not burn myself. So it's definitely well worth it that they've put it in there for you. And then clamp down again. And then release. And then I'll do another section. And then clamp and hold. I definitely think, I'm not complete yet, but I definitely think that it is well worth the money. Like, I definitely think that it looks like the Molly May, you know Molly May, she's got like the same exact thing, but it's just like a dupe for it, and it definitely is cheaper, which is good right now while I'm off on furlough. Yeah, I really like it. Once again, I'm not starting right from the top of my root. I'm starting about 2 inches down, just so the crease doesn't start right at the top. I want it to be more of a relaxed look. Yeah, I think doing wider sections is not an issue at all. Just because the barrel is so wide, you can put so much more hair into it, especially if you want it to look a bit more relaxed and not so like tight and crimped. I think that's more of the look I'm going for. If you want to do it a bit tighter, I'm sure you could do the sections a little bit smaller, but I think this is more what I'm going for, more of like the mermaid wave kind of look. The last piece before I do some touch-ups. And just hold it. I'm just gonna do a little bit more here. The front is always so hard, like, to style. I feel like you can do your full head really nice and then the front part can just mess up and it just won't look really good. So yeah, I always take a bit more time in the front to make sure. Right, so I think this is the final look. I'm just gonna poof up my root area. I'm gonna go in with a bit of oil just so it doesn't look a little bit frizzy, and also to make it look a bit shiny. I'm using the argan oil from Hair Expertise into my hair. I'm just gonna put like a little pump, so that much into my hair, and just kind of rub it into your hands. And then what I like to do is I just like to go from the top, not close to your root though, because it'll get a bit greasy, and then just run your fingers through your hair, And then the other side. Just kind of smooth it a little bit at the top with the excess, and yeah, so that is the finished look. I think it looks quite nice. It's something different, like it reminds me of the 90s as well. I remember having like a Barbie doll and you would crimp their hair, so it's quite fun reminiscing about them times. So yeah, I quite liked it. Super easy to use. I think it's super user friendly. It's just a different look. I was getting a bit bored of my curls. I use like a wand, so it's nice to change it up a little bit, and I think it's really in at the moment to have crimped hair. I see so many influencers on Instagram using crimpers and posting with their hair crimped, so I think this will be trending. And also, it didn't break the bank. Like, it was under £25, and if you don't like it, it's only £25. So yeah, I definitely think it was a good buy. And yeah, just changes up your look. Yeah, that's my review on this Amazon crimper. Like I said, I would highly recommend purchasing this product, especially when it's under £25. Like, you can't go wrong. Yeah, and I think it just gives a nice look throughout. Like, it's just kind of crimped, and it gives a bit of volume, especially for people like me who have a bit of more straight, finer hair. It just gives you a bit more volume, which I know I'm always looking for. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas for any more videos you want me to do. And remember to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye!